Hi, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the latest model of Nike Air Max. The DN stands for Dynamic Air and the colorway is All Night. These casual shoes bring the four large round air pockets to the Air Max range in the first place. Together with the soft outsole, they provide pretty good comfort, but at the same time it's nothing special. They came out last week for $160 and come to you in a classic red and white box like the Dunks, for example. If you decide to get them, you can still buy most sizes and colors on Nike.com, so I don't even need to mention the secondary market. They fits true to size. Let me know in the comments how they affect you and what you think of the new era of Air Maxes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.